Introducing BGig, your gateway to a seamless talent marketplace connecting companies with top-tier Indian tech freelancers for on-demand projects. Now let's talk about freelancers. We made it ridiculously easy for them to get started. They simply build a profile, showcasing their expertise and experience. And it's not just about resumes and portfolios. We dig deeper, asking for academic qualifications, upskilling efforts, and even career aspirations to align them with meaningful projects so they can thrive in their freelance journey. Once they've updated these details and uploaded the necessary documents, the next step is to set their rates and schedule a call with our team who finalizes these rates based on their skills and experiences. This is a crucial step as all projects freelancers work on through BGig will be based on these rates. Once the rates are set, their profile gets activated and they can add a Calendly link to the profile to allow clients to schedule interactions with them. Freelancers can then dive right into the gig market tab, explore opportunities that match their skills. They can express interest in projects and receive interest from clients who see the value in their profile. And when an interest is matched, with the proposal and documentation section, they can submit everything needed to seal the deal and kick off the project. Once the project is started, they can navigate to the track progress section to view milestones or deliverables and update them as and when they get done. They use the timesheet tab to keep track of their work hours, raise and track invoices, and visit the support tab in case they face issues or need help from BGig. Now for organizations, we've revolutionized the way they find talent. Signing up, posting, and managing gigs, it's all a breeze. If they're unsure about how to hire and work with freelancers, they can schedule a call with our team. If not, they can go right ahead and post a gig. We give them the option to post an outcome-based gig or a time-based gig. Just fill in the details asked. This information helps us recommend the right talent to them. Once these details are added, their gig is almost live. Next, they're asked to complete their profile, which helps us understand the kind of talent they're looking for and align talent based not just on their technical requirements, but also on a culture fit for their team. Post this, their gig is live. Our gig management tab then becomes their command center, where they can browse AI recommended freelancers, send and receive interest, and ultimately kickstart collaborations that drive results by asking for documents and finalizing the SOW all on the platform. Once they click on Start Project, they will be prompted to add an amount that is equal to the total project budget to an escrow account, or can be partially filled with an amount that varies subject to the size or duration of the project. Now that the work on the gig is started, the Track Projects tab allows clients to monitor progress. For outcome-based gigs, they can approve or reject milestones based on the quality of work. For time-based gigs, they can also view the work hours logged by the freelancers and approve or reject deliverables in case of any discrepancies. Payment to the freelancer is only made on the client's approval. They can also visit the support tab to reach out to BGig in case they face issues or need help, and our team will respond promptly. Hop on to the trend of flexible hiring and get ready to embrace the future of work with BGig.